Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Roblox Authenticator app. First, download a two-step verification app such as Google Authenticator or Authy onto your mobile device. Next, log into your Roblox account through a web browser. Navigate to the Security tab in your account settings. Here, you will find the option to enable two-step verification. Prepare to scan the QR code displayed on your screen. Now, open your Authenticator app on your mobile device. Use the app to scan the unique QR code presented on the Roblox security page. If scanning is not possible, you can manually enter the provided setup key into the Authenticator app. Once linked, your Authenticator app will immediately begin generating a new 6-digit verification code approximately every 30 seconds. To log in securely, first enter your Roblox username and password as you usually do. When the system prompts you for a two-step verification code, open your Authenticator app. Locate the current 6-digit code for Roblox and carefully input it into the designated field on the Roblox login screen. Remember, each code is valid for only about 30 seconds, so act quickly. Finally, always save your recovery codes in a very safe and secure location, perhaps written down and stored offline. These codes are absolutely crucial if you ever lose access to your Authenticator device. Never, under any circumstances, share your Authenticator codes or recovery codes with anyone. For an extra layer of security, consider enabling a PIN or biometric lock on your Authenticator app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.